Hello, so I am a photographer, so I chose to present on photography. So what is photography good for anyways? Photography really has so many uses, but one of the first ones I want to talk about is how photography keeps order in our societies. We use photography for different forms of identification, like our driver's licenses. We use it for news stories, even crime scene evidence. The art of photography. As a photographer myself, I have an appreciation for photography as an art. There are many types of photography: wildlife, landscape, portraiture, fashion, street, wedding, and tons more. Personally, I love any type of portraiture. I love capturing organic moments. I get these organic moments by having natural movement in my photos, and it takes a lot of practice to execute what's going on in my brain, but I'm getting better. So my Instagram, here's a screenshot of my page. It's photoed by Natalie Nicole, and I would love if you guys followed and engaged with my social media. Utilizing photography for marketing. Obviously, this is a marketing class, so photography is awesome for marketing. It helps relay importance. Something with a captivating image will captivate the audience. Speak volumes. Photos are useful because they can tell a story, or at least the heart of it, in relatively little space. It also boosts your credibility. Photos help create credibility and help your audience view you as reputable. Photography is a great way to market and make money, and there are a million ways to do it. So here are some examples of different ways that you can use photography to make money. There's real estate, journalism, portraiture, sports photography, landscape photography, personal branding, and I could go on and on, but here are just a few examples.